Hello kids, welcome to the channel. Today we learn about something very exciting, that is common noun and proper noun. Are you confused to define in common and proper noun? It's so easy, we are here for you. But for this you must see the complete video. Don't be confused, it is easy to understand. First, let's start with noun. Do you know what a noun is? A noun is a word that names of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, dog, school, book and teacher. These all are nouns. But did you know there are two types of noun? They are common noun and proper noun. Let's learn the difference. Common noun. Common noun is a general name for any person, place, animal or thing. It does not talk about something very special. For example, a boy, a park, a cat and a car. See, these are general names that can mean anyone or anything. Let's repeat, common noun are not specific. Now let's talk about the proper noun. Proper noun explanation. A proper noun is very special. It gives a specific name to a person, place or thing. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. For example, instead of saying a boy, you can say Tom. Tom is a name. Instead of a park, you can also say Central Park is a specific name. Instead of a cat, you can say Whiskers is the cat name. See the difference? Proper nouns are always names of something very special. Some more example of proper noun like Taj Mahal, Dr. Rahul and Snowy. That is a cat. Now it's practice time. Let's practice together. I will say a word and you tell me if it's a common noun or a proper noun. Are you excited? Ready? Let's go. School. School. Yeah, you are right. It's a common noun. Mount Everest. Yes, great job. You are right. It's a proper noun. Dog. Dog. Correct. A common noun. Snoopy. It's a special dog. Excellent. That's a proper noun because it's a name of a specific dog. School bus. School bus. Yes, that's right. School bus is a proper noun. What is we learn? Let's repeat it again. Are you ready to learn it? Repeat again. Okay. Here we go. Common noun. Common nouns are general. For example, city. Proper noun. Proper noun are specific and always start with a capital letter. For example, New York City. Great job, kids. You have a great job. Now you know the difference between common noun and proper noun. Keep practicing and try to find more examples around you. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more fun and adventurous video. So, meet you in the next video. Till you then, tada, bye bye.